islands years ago, with 2 small bags and dreams. Crossed the ocean hand in hand, chasing brighter things. From the Philippines to desert skies, out in Phoenix heat, still your smile could cool the sun every time we'd meet. Oh, Norma, my beautiful wife, 60 years beside me in this life, through every storm and sacrifice, you made this house a home. Now our children laugh nearby, Arizona sunsets paint the sky, and every day I still thank God I never walk alone. I love the smell of garlic rice and fish fresh off the line, Sunday songs and family jokes, and old sweet memories in time. My daughter keeps the table warm, my son-in-law's a good man too, and every little thing we built started there with you. Oh, Norma, my beautiful wife, 60 years beside me in this life, through every storm and sacrifice, you made this house a home. Now our grandchildren fill the air with noisy joy and answered prayers, and every song I sing tonight is still in love with you. Some folks chase the world for gold or castles by the sea, but all the riches I could want are sitting here with me. A fishing pole, a cooking fire, a simple melody, and the woman who still dances slow in the kitchen lovingly. Manila nights to Phoenix lights, you held my trembling hand. And if I had one life again, I'd cross that ocean just the same, to fall in love beside the sea and speak your precious name. So play the old guitar once more and let the whole world sing A man grows rich when love stays true. Across the years it brings. Oh, Norma, my Norma, you're still my favorite song.